sometimes just to know we're human. We can let the world just
So guys, I'm with my friends Paul Mungai. Paul, say hi.
What up, what up, what up, what up?
Yeah, and Sheila.
Hello, beautiful humans.
And my team. Unaitwa nani?
Raymond.
Raymond.
Yes.
Hey, Raymond Reddington. Unajua huyo nani? Na wewe? Lennox. Ah, perfect. So we are currently heading to the beach where we're gonna see the estuary of Sabaki River. And yeah, so let's enjoy the journey with these beautiful people. As you can see, some of you might think I'm in a desert, but I'm in Malindi, which is in Kilifi County, at the coastal sides of Kenya. The ocean is just ahead, and we started the tour by touring the mangrove forest that is just located beside the sand dunes, and I'm gonna show you. So ahead, where you can see the tree cover, that's the mangrove forest, which is located just beside the sand dunes and the ocean. So as you can see, beautiful landscape of the sand dunes. So we are yet to explore, just enjoy the scenery and enjoy our time.
say that we had enough. Do you see now where we can be right now? Together.
Stretching endlessly, these dunes are more than just a sight. They lead to the Sabaki River's estuary, where sun meets water and life flourishes. It's a place where tranquility and adventure coexist, inviting you to explore its breathtaking beauty.
Not a romance, what's it though? Take my hand through it all. Together we can face fire and smoke, fire and smoke.
So we are currently all just enjoying the view. As you can see, there's some fine sand on the beach, but today we didn't actually think that we will be coming to the beach, so most of the people did not carry their swimming costumes, but all they can do right now is just enjoy the view of the ocean. Yeah.